A very good evening. I hope all of you have settled in well. Thank you so much for your patience. We have a very, very exciting evening ahead of us. Those of you who don't know, my name is Meera. I'm one of the teachers here, and I'm also a support host for this evening. As most of you already know, our shows are usually hosted by our M3 children. A very, very exciting year this year. We navigated our way through the Gen Alpha. Our days have been filled with exciting questions, new challenges, and we have had to keep up with new lingos, new songs, new books, new movies that these children knew even before we knew about it. It's been a very symbiotic year this year. And today, we are here to showcase some of the best talents that our school has to offer. And of course, honor our graduates who are ready to step into the bigger school, like they call it. The last couple of weeks, as you must have already seen in our slides, it's been filled with practice sessions. The children not only enjoyed dancing for their own songs, they enjoyed dancing for their friends' songs. And in fact, the reason they have agreed to give their best performance here today is because we have promised them that on Friday they can dance to all the songs which are not theirs. So we've had a lot of fun. The children have shown us amazing perseverance. They have been so patient with us with all the practice sessions. I think today they deserve a big round of applause. I must tell you, the children feed off your energy. So all through the performance, all I would request you is clap loudly. Can I hear how loudly can you all clap, please? Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I've said this before, I keep saying it on behalf of the entire team. It's been an immense honor to be all these children, the stepping stone of their, big school, and it's been so much fun teaching them. But I will stop talking now, and without further delay, I would like to request Mrs. Rajlakshmi Shivram Krishnan, our chief guest, and Mrs. Sandhya Kadam to come onto the stage to light the lamp.
Koti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kurume Deva Sarvakareshu Sarvada. Om Asatoma Sadgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityoma Amrutam Gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
With us, we have something special for our chief guest and Sandhya ma'am. I would like to welcome on stage our first set of hosts, Abhinav, Hamdan, Sanjeev, Ahmad and Vaidurya.
The chief guests, parents, teachers, and our dear friends, a very good evening. Welcome to the annual day celebration of our school, Five Senses Montessori. This year we have something exciting to showcase, a fun evening with exciting performances. We have put in a lot of effort to show our best on the stage and are hoping to hear loud claps from all of you. Starting the event are our younger friends from M0. They are here to brighten up the stage. If you know the song, please sing along, cheer along.
Arms up high, reach for the sky. Let's sing it silly Ram-Sam song. Oh, Ram-Sam Sam, oh, Ram-Sam Sam, gooey, 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 Ram-Sam Sam. Oh, Ram-Sam Sam, oh, Ram-Sam Sam, gooey, 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 Ram-Sam Sam. Oh, Ravi, gooey, 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 Ram-Sam Sam. Oh, Ravi, gooey, 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 Ram-Sam Sam. Arms up high, reach for the sky. If you wanna be a Ram-Sam master, you've got to go a little faster. Oh, Ram-Sam Sam, oh, Ram-Sam Sam, gooey, 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 Ram-Sam Sam. Oh, Ram-Sam Sam, oh, Ram-Sam Sam, gooey, 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 Ram-Sam Sam. Oh, Ravi, gooey, 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 Ram-Sam Sam. Oh, Ravi, gooey, 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 Ram-Sam Sam. Arms up high, reach for the sky. If you wanna be a Ram-Sam master, you got to go a little faster. Oh, Ram-Sam Sam, oh, Ram-Sam Sam, gooey, 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 Ram-Sam Sam. Oh, Ram-Sam Sam, oh, Ram-Sam Sam, gooey, 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 Ram-Sam Sam. Oh, Ravi, gooey, 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 Ram-Sam Sam. Oh, Ravi, gooey, 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 Ram-Sam Sam. Arms up high, reach for the sky. If you wanna be a Ram-Sam master, you got to go a little faster. Oh, Ram-Sam Sam, oh, Ram-Sam Sam, gooey, 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 Ram-Sam Sam. Oh, Ram-Sam Sam, oh, Ram-Sam Sam, gooey, 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 Ram-Sam Sam. Oh, Ravi, gooey, 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 Ram-Sam Sam. Oh, Ravi, gooey, 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 Ram-Sam Sam. Arms up high, reach for the sky. If you wanna be a Ram-Sam master, you got to go a little faster. Oh, Ram-Sam Sam, oh, Ram-Sam Sam, gooey, 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 Ram-Sam Sam. Oh, Ram-Sam Sam, oh, Ram-Sam Sam, gooey, 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 Ram-Sam Sam. Oh, Ravi, gooey, 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 Ram-Sam Sam. Oh, Ravi, gooey, 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 Ram-Sam Sam. Arms up high, reach for the sky. If you wanna be a Ram-Sam master, you got to go a little faster. Oh, Ram-Sam Sam, oh, Ram-Sam Sam, gooey, 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 Ram-Sam Sam. Oh, Ram-Sam Sam, oh, Ram-Sam Sam, gooey, 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 Ram-Sam Sam. Oh, Ravi, gooey, 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 Ram-Sam Sam. Oh, Ravi, gooey, 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 Ram-Sam Sam. Arms up high, reach for the sky. If you wanna be a Ram-Sam master, you got to go a little faster. Oh, Ram-Sam Sam, oh, Ram-Sam Sam, gooey, 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 Ram-Sam Sam. Oh, Ram-Sam Sam, oh, Ram-Sam Sam, gooey, 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 Ram-Sam Sam. Oh, Ravi, gooey, 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 Ram-Sam Sam. Oh, Ravi, gooey, 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 Ram-Sam Sam. Arms up high, reach for the sky. Now you're a Ram-Sam master, you're a Ram-Sam master.
Wasn't that fun? Don't be fooled by my sizes. There are more performances in store. So, please welcome the next group.
Will we have a big round of applause for Advait, Aryan, Batul, Ishan, Kimaya, Neil Shaurya, Nitansh, Riyansh, Rovin, Samvita, Shlok, Adi Dhiren, Advika who's just 18 months old, by the way, I must mention that. Diyan, Jay, Kedar, Natanya, Neil and Vedant. A big round of applause, please. Do you all realize how difficult it is for them to stand over here in front of all of you? We have more than 100 parents in the crowd. They are so brave today. A big round of applause, please. Thank you.
Friends want to hear louder claps. Let us welcome the next group on the stage, ready to put their best foot forward.
Thank you, Akshay. And the previous host was Melina. I'm sorry, I forgot to tell her name.
Pando
A big round of applause for Akanksha, who's gone back to her mom. Ashwika, Ilham, Ishan, Litesh, Nafisa, Naira, Punarvika, Sanjana, Skyra, and Vedika.
We are having so much fun, aren't you too? It is time to conclude the M0 performance with these foot tapping numbers. Please clap along.
Thank you, Mini.
Chickabook Riley. At the Kalakata party was daily. Sikwala, Miley, you were okay, attitude.
ಕಾಣದಂತೆ ಮಾಯವಾದನು ನಮ್ಮ ಶಿವ ಕೈಲಾಸ ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡನು ಕಾಣದಂತೆ ಮಾಯವಾದನು ನಮ್ಮ ಶಿವ ಕೈಲಾಸ ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡನು ಕೊಡುವುದನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಬಿಡುವುದನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೊಡುವುದನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಬಿಡುವುದನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೈಯ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಓಡಿ ಹೋದನು ಕಾಣದಂತೆ ಮಾಯವಾದನು ನಮ್ಮ ಶಿವ ಕೈಲಾಸ ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡನು ಶಿವ ಕಾಣದಂತೆ ಮಾಯವಾದನು ನಮ್ಮ ಶಿವ ಕೈಲಾಸ ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡನು
A big round of applause for Anvi, Avyan, Cheryen, Grita, Leher, Lishika, Naisha, Ruhi, Sarah, Vidita. And remember how I told you our children like dancing other friends' performance? Welcome back, Naira. Please welcome on stage Arjun, Shriya, Mini, Akshay, Melina, Sanjeev and Kabir.
Fire Center Montessori is our first school. It will always hold a special place in our heart. We have had so much fun here. But now we'll spread our wings and go to grade 1.
We have had loudly.
Yes, as much as we are looking forward to start a new school, we are going to miss everyone here, especially our friends. We love our trip to the zoo, HL Museum, Planetarium and the the best of all, the fire station. We also enjoyed dressing up for the celebration and making pretty takeaways. The magic show and making diyas were my favorite. Working with all the materials helped us learn new concepts easily. Well, without any further delay, we'll let our teachers take over while we go get ready for our graduation.
Thank you, Meera ma'am. Good evening to all the parents of JP Nagar. Good evening. A louder, please. Now, today is the graduation day, and it is indeed a momentous moment for the children and the parents of M3. Don't you agree? Yes. And I think we all would have had a graduation day in our lives too. Yes or no? Yes. So today, and to hand over the certificates on the graduation day, we would have had an eminent personality who would have motivated us, inspired us. Yes? Can I have the yes louder, please? That's great. So today, amongst us, we have such an eminent personality who is a pioneer of all sorts, and her name is Mrs. Rajalakshmi Shivaramakrishnan, who is the founder and director, Create Institute for Montessori and Nursery Teachers Training, Bangalore. With a post-graduation in physics, Raji ma'am started her career as a science and English teacher at Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan. To deep dive into the foundation for a good education, she did her early child care course and child psychology from the University of Pennsylvania. She worked as a volunteer in preschools in the Philippines and on relocating to India. Went ahead to get her formal training on the Montessori methodology. She started a Montessori journey as a teacher. She later worked as a curriculum coordinator for a reputed preschool chain and realized the need for a structured training program for preschool teachers. She specializes in creating teachers who are dedicated, passionate, and try to make a difference in the crucial years of a child, the preschool years. With her experience and formal education in the area of early childhood education, she has put together an innovative training curriculum covering the best of various teaching methodologies with Montessori at its core. She has trained and provided a successful career in the field of education to many women. Through her training programs, she has helped many parents understand their children better. Today, after many years of working with children, Raji ma'am is an entrepreneur into training and developing teaching methodologies. She founded Create Institute for Montessori and Nursery Teachers Training about 8 years and more years ago. Raj Lakshmi, apart from training and interacting with young parents, enjoys her free time reading and listening to music. Her role as a teacher started from home like most of us here. She is the mother of 2 children, a son and a daughter. Please give a big round of applause to Raji ma'am, and I would like to invite Raji ma'am on stage. Please come on stage, ma'am, to hand over the certificates to the budding graduates. Yes, ma'am, from that side. I would now like to call upon Meera ma'am to do the honors, please. Thank you.
Abhinav Varad. Aditya J. Nambiar. Ahmad. Akshay Reddy Macha. Arjun Kirana Rao. Ditya KP. The clap should be louder than the music. Hamdan Ahmad. Kabir Rao. Kartikeya Verma. Kavan Vijay. Kirtan Vijay. K Mini. Melina Tamil Selvan. Ronit R. Sanjeev Reddy. Priya S. A big round of applause for our graduates. Oh, I'm so sorry, I forgot Vaidurya V. I am so sorry. So I must tell you, this batch has been with us since they are M0. So it's very bittersweet for us to watch them spread their wings and go to grade 1 like Shreya told us the other time. And as much as we would like to keep them with us, we know it's time for us to let them go, face the world, and ensure that we tell them that they have their blessings forever and always. Once again, the graduates. Are they awesome or are they awesome? So I must tell you that we had this was like a low rehearsed number. We asked the children, do you want to sing a song? And they said yes. And we asked them, do you want to be a surprise for your parents? And they said yes. And here's the result. Now if I could request all of you to please stand up for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Shyam, who studied with us in Five Senses Montessori, and when he got to know that we are playing this song, he was kind enough to come back and give us a background score. Could we have a big round of applause for Shyam, please? Where is Shyam? There he is. He came back to school almost 8 years later, and he's like, oh, you all still teach us this way only. So we're like, yes. The teachers are finding it hard to believe the little boy is grown up so much. A big round of applause for Shyam.
Aditya, Ronak, Keetan and Ditya.
We hope you enjoyed our song. Now it's time to get back to the event. For our annual day this year, we wanted to do something special for you and our parents. The theme of the day is nostalgic 90s. Yes. Get ready to go back in time. We have tried to bring to you some of the best songs that you may have heard growing up. Not just that, we also have some fun surprises in between that you definitely cannot skip.
Super. Ahmed, Melina and Kartikeya.
They are smart, they are bright and they are naughty. They are here to surprise you with their dance. Without any further delay, let's welcome on stage our youngest friends from M1. So get ready to start grooving. We'll be back after a short break.
Nirma, Nirma, washing powder Nirma, washing powder Nirma, दूध सी सफेदी Nirma से आए, रंगीन कपड़ा भी खिल खिल जाए, Nirma ने बांधा सामान, washing powder Nirma, थोड़ा सा पाउडर और झाग ढेर सारा, घर भर के कपड़ों को पल में निखारा, हेमा, रेखा, जया और सुषमा, सबकी पसंद Nirma, washing powder Nirma.
Remember those days when we used to watch advertisements and we couldn't skip them?
घोड़े जैसी चाल, हाथी जैसी धूम धूम धूम, ओ सावन राजा कहाँ से आए तुम? घोड़े जैसी चाल, हाथी जैसी धूम धूम धूम, ओ सावन राजा कहाँ से आए तुम? धूम धूम छक, धूम धूम छक, धूम धूम छक, धूम धूम छक, धूम
कोई लड़की है जब वो हंसती है, कोई लड़की है जब वो हंसती है, बारिश होती है छनक छनक छुम छुम।
कोई लड़की है जब वो हंसती है, बारिश होती है छना छना छुम छुम। कोई लड़का है जब वो गाता है, धूम धूम छक धूम धूम छक धूम धूम छक धूम धूम। अरे कोई लड़का है जब वो गाता है, सावन आता है घुमड़ घुमड़ घुम घुम। कोई लड़का है जब वो गाता है, सावन आता है घुमड़ घुमड़ घुम घुम। छक धूम धूम छक धूम धूम छक धूम धूम छक धूम धूम। छोटा बच्चा जान के ना कोई आंख दिखाना रे, अकल का कच्चा समझ के हमको ना समझाना रे, भोली सूरत जान के हमसे ना टकराना रे, नाच नचा देंगे। छोटा बच्चा जान के ना कोई आंख दिखाना रे, अकल का कच्चा समझ के हमको ना समझाना रे।
Loud, loud, loud claps for Anika, Arish, Siddhant, Nitya, Tia, Arya, Saifuddin and Devik. Shriya and Mini.
Girl Power is here to brighten up the stage. They are so excited to present this multilingual dance melody. Please put your hands together to welcome our friends from everyone. But before that, here is a word from not our sponsors.
कुछ खास है हम सभी में, कुछ बात है हम सभी में, बात है खास है, कुछ स्वाद है, क्या स्वाद है जिंदगी में।
कैडबरीज डेयरी मिल्क, असली स्वाद जिंदगी का।
Loud claps for Samhita, Kaira, Hannah, Hania, Dhriti, Bhavadarni, Kshetra, Lipika, Naidruva and Altia. Loud claps, please. Please welcome on stage Ditya, Akshay and Abhinav.
I love the next set of songs so much so I too want to dance with them. I know what you mean, Nitya. We're definitely going to dance backstage. We are in for such a treat. So what are we waiting for? Shall we call our friend from M1 on stage? Audience, get ready to clap loudly and dance.
They're not kidding. The next set of songs you will want to clap loudly and dance.
ਹੋ ਗੋੜੀ ਨਾਲੋਂ ਇਸ਼ਕ ਮਿੱਠਾ ਹੋ ਗੋੜੀ ਨਾਲੋਂ ਇਸ਼ਕ ਮਿੱਠਾ ਹਾਏ ਹਾਏ ਹੋ ਰੱਬਾ ਲੱਗਣਾ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਜਾਵੇ ਹੋ ਗੋੜੀ ਨਾਲੋਂ ਇਸ਼ਕ ਮਿੱਠਾ ਗੋੜੀ ਨਾਲੋਂ ਇਸ਼ਕ ਮਿੱਠਾ ਗੋੜੀ ਨਾਲੋਂ ਇਸ਼ਕ ਮਿੱਠਾ ਹਾਏ ਹਾਏ ਹੋ ਰੱਬਾ ਲੱਗਣਾ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਜਾਵੇ ਹੋ ਗੋੜੀ ਨਾਲੋਂ ਇਸ਼ਕ ਮਿੱਠਾ ਗੋੜੀ ਨਾਲੋਂ ਇਸ਼ਕ ਮਿੱਠਾ ਗੋੜੀ ਨਾਲੋਂ ਇਸ਼ਕ ਮਿੱਠਾ ਹਾਏ ਹਾਏ ਹੋ ਰੱਬਾ ਲੱਗਣਾ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਜਾਵੇ ਗੋੜੀ ਨਾਲੋਂ ਇਸ਼ਕ ਮਿੱਠਾ ਅੱਖੀਆਂ 'ਚ ਬਸ ਮਿੱਤਰਾ ਅੱਖੀਆਂ 'ਚ ਬਸ ਸੋਹਣਿਆ ਹਾਏ ਹਾਏ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਚੱਲ ਚਿੰਬੜਾ ਦੀ ਮਾਰਾ ਵੇ ਅੱਖੀਆਂ 'ਚ ਬਸ ਮਿੱਤਰਾ ਅੱਖ ਨਾਲ ਗੱਲ ਕਰ ਗਈ ਅੱਖ ਨਾਲ ਗੱਲ ਕਰ ਗਈ ਹਾਏ ਹਾਏ ਪੱਲਾ ਮਾਰ ਕੇ ਵਜਾ ਗਈ ਦੀਵਾ ਅੱਖ ਨਾਲ ਗੱਲ ਕਰ ਗਈ
ਉਹ ਗੱਡੇ ਤੇ ਨਾ ਚੜਦੀ ਗੱਡੀਰੇ ਤੇ ਨਾ ਚੜਦੀ ਗੱਡੇ ਤੇ ਨਾ ਚੜਦੀ ਗੱਡੀਰੇ ਤੇ ਨਾ ਚੜਦੀ ਛੜਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਟੱਟੂ ਤੇ ਟੱਪ ਚੜਦੀ ਬੋਲ ਤਾਰਾ ਰਾਰਾ ਬੋਲ ਤਾਰਾ ਰਾਰਾ ਜੰਜੂਰੀ ਕਲੋਲ ਕਰਦੀ ਬੋਲ ਤਾਰਾ ਰਾਰਾ ਬੋਲ ਤਾਰਾ ਰਾਰਾ ਜੰਜੂਰੀ ਕਲੋਲ ਕਰਦੀ ਬੋਲ ਤਾਰਾ ਰਾਰਾ
Louder claps, please. Snigdha, Daksh, Tisya, Kushal, Maulya, Arav, Aditi, Dhruvan, Tanush, Arushi, and Kiyansh.
Good evening once again. Good evening. Please extend a warm welcome to our Honorable Shri C.K. Ramurthy sir, who has definitely made time coming straight from Mysore to grace our wonderful event. Please extend a warm welcome to him with a big round of applause, please. Shri C.K. Ramurthy was born in C.S. Pura village of Gubbi Taluk of Tumkur district. He did his primary and secondary education in C.S. Pura village. He settled in Jayanagar after his father became the head priest of Ragi Gudda Prasanna Anjaneya Swami temple. He completed his education at Vijaya College and BES College. He developed his leadership skills as a union leader in the Maiko factory and joined politics as a car sevak for the Ayodhya Ram Mandir. As a social worker, Shri C.K. Ramurthy established the Raksha Foundation and has helped more than 10,000 students belonging to the economically weaker and middle class categories by donating notebooks. The meritorious students of SSLC and PUC received enormous encouragement by way of laptops and scholarships. He has also adopted students from the Raksha Foundation and takes care of their education. He has never looked back in his political career after winning the BBMP elections as MLA Jayanagar and as the president of Bharatiya Janata Party South Zone. I now request Shri C.K. Ramurthy sir to please come on stage and accept our token of appreciation love from the family of 5 Senses Montessori, Jayanagar and JP Nagar. He is being escorted by Sandhya ma'am, the head of our institution. Thank you, sir. Thank you. A big round of applause. I would now request C.K. Ramurthy sir if he could address the audience, please. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Please give a big round of applause.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್. ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು. ಇವತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲ ಪೋಷಕರು ಮಕ್ಕಳೊಂದಿಗೆ 5 ಸೀಸನ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ಟರ್ಗೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ತಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಭಾಳಷ್ಟು ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಸಣ್ಣ ಸಣ್ಣ ಮಕ್ಕಳದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಬಹುಶಃ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಅಷ್ಟು ಮಾತು ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ, ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಷ್ಟು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಟೀಚರ್ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ಥರ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಯಾವ ಥರ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕುಣಿತಾರೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅಷ್ಟು ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ಮೆಂಟು ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಕದಂಬರವರು ಮತ್ತು ಇಡೀ ಜಯನಗರ JP ನಗರದಲ್ಲಿ ಇವನು ಅನೇಕ ಶಾಲೆಗಳನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಲಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಷ್ಟೇ, ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಏನು ಇಷ್ಟ ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಕೊಡಿ ದಯಮಾಡಿ. ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಏನು ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅದು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಓದ್ತಾ ಇರೋವಂಥ ಕಾಲ ಬೇರೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ನೀವೇನು ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ನೀವು ಓದ್ತಾ ಇರೋವಂಥ ಬೇರೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಬೈಯೋರು, ಗಲಾಟೆ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಒಂದು ಕಾಲನೇ ಬೇರೆ ಇದೆ. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಏನು ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಏನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಏನು ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತಾರೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಖುಷಿಯಿಂದ ಕೊಡ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಭವಿಷ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಲಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ಭಾಳ ಲೇಟಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದೆ. ಮೈಸೂರು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದ್ದೆ. ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಬರಬೇಕಾಯಿತು, ಬರೋಕ್ಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವನಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಕ್ಷಮೆ ಇರಲಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್, ಜೈ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ.
Thank you, sir. for those inspiring and motivating words. Thank you very much. And thank you very much that you made time for us from your busy schedule and Grey Star occasion. Thank you once again.
Thank you. I would like to call on the stage Aditya, Kavan and Ronit, please.
We hope you are having a great time. Clapping and cheering out loud will boost our energy, so please don't stop. Our friends are here to present to you a little bit of disco blended with a whole lot of fun. Get ready to disco after the short break.
वही पुराने नील के धब्बे, वही पुरानी सफेदी।
कब बदलेगा नील, कब बदलेगी तकदीर। आया नया उजाला, 4 बूंदों वाला। इंस्टावायलेट कॉन्सेंट्रेट, कपड़ों के रेशे तक जाए, सफेदी का नया रंग लाए, नील भूल जाओ।
हाँ,
महीने भर की सफेदियाँ।
ज्योति लैबोरेटरीज का आविष्कार उजाला सुप्रीम,
4 बूंदों वाला।
Listen to the crowning music from your fabulous Sanjay. Thank you. ಸಂತೋಷಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಡು ಸಂತೋಷಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂತೋಷಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಡು ಸಂತೋಷಕ್ಕೆ ಕುಣಿದ ತಾಳಕ್ಕೆ ಕುಣಿದ ನಲಿದ ರಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ನಲಿದ ನನ್ನಂತೆ ಸಂತೋಷಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಡು ಸಂತೋಷಕ್ಕೆ
चलता नहीं है दिल दे के यारो इस दिल से जोर कोई, चलता नहीं है दिल दे के यारो इस दिल से जोर कोई, इस रोग का नहीं है इलाज दुनिया में और कोई। तो गाओ हो शांति 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 ओम शांति ओम शांति शांति
हम दोनों हैं अलग अलग, हम दोनों हैं जुदा जुदा, एक दूसरे से कभी कभी रहते हैं हम खफा खफा। हम दोनों हैं अलग अलग, हम दोनों हैं जुदा जुदा, एक दूसरे से कभी कभी रहते हैं हम खफा खफा। लड़की देखी मुँह से सीटी बजे हाथ से ताली, लड़की देखी मुँह से सीटी बजे हाथ से ताली, साला आइला उस्मा माई गपोरी आले आले। मैं खिलाड़ी तू अनाड़ी, मैं अनाड़ी तू खिलाड़ी। I am a disco dancer. I am a disco dancer. जिंदगी मेरा गाना, मैं किसी का दीवाना। तो झूमो तो नाचो और मेरे साथ नाचो गाओ। I am a disco dancer. I am a disco dancer. I am a disco dancer.
Give it up for our disco boys. Arjun, Abhinav, Akshay, Kabir, Aditya, Samarth, Kirtan, Shriyan, Arav, Yuvan, Vibhor, Advait and Badri.
The girls are here with amazing performance that'll make you go wow. Please don't stop clapping and cheering while we welcome the girls to bright up our stage.
School time, action का school time. Praise होती every morning. Time से होती सबकी checking. Classwork, homework, punishment, lecture. Good morning teacher. Fighting, friendship, मस्ती पीटी. बल्कि एक और हो गई छुट्टी. School time, action का school time.
Like that.
चिकी चिकी लकी चिकी चू पक चिकी लकी चिकी लकी चू तररप चिकी लकी चिकी चिकी चू मैं ख्वाबों की शहजादी मैं हूँ हर दिल पे छाई मैं ख्वाबों की शहजादी मैं हूँ हर दिल पे छाई बादल है मेरे दिल पे बिजली मेरी अंगड़ाई बिजली गिराने मैं हूँ आई बिजली गिराने मैं हूँ आई कहती है मुझको हवा हवाई हवा हवाई हवा हवाई हवा हवाई हवा हवाई तेरा करो दिन 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 पे इंतजार आजा पिया आई बहार तेरा करो दिन 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 के इंतजार आजा पिया आई बहार 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13
Girls, you have energy for once more, the last bit? Yes?
तेरा करो दिन 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 पे इंतजार आजा पिया आई बहार तेरा करो दिन 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 के इंतजार आजा पिया आई बहार 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13
A big round of applause for okay, Vaidurya, Shriya, Ditya, Mitwa, Regina, Sanvi, Snigdha, Mini, Melina and Rushali. Why are the claps stopping? They danced for you twice.
Get ready to whistle, get ready to cheer, and of course get ready to clap the loudest. With the loud round of applause, welcome on stage with our Jinkies performance.
Thank you, boys.
ஒத்திக்கோ ஒத்திக்கோ தென்னாட்டு வெங்கதாம் ஒத்துக்கோ ஒத்துக்கோ அண்ணாத்த ஆடுறார் ஒத்திக்கோ ஒத்திக்கோ தென்னாட்டு வெங்கதாம் ஒத்துக்கோ ஒத்துக்கோ காட்டோரம் மேயும் குறும்பாடு அத போட்டாதான் நமக்கு சாப்பாடு அட காட்டோரம் மேயும் குறும்பாடு அத போட்டாதான் நமக்கு சாப்பாடு சிறுனா சிறுமே சிறுனா சிறுமே அண்ணாத்த ஆடுறார் ஒத்திக்கோ ஒத்திக்கோ தென்னாட்டு வெங்கதா ஒத்துக்கோ ஒத்துக்கோ அண்ணாத்த ஆடுறார் ஒத்திக்கோ ஒத்திக்கோ தென்னாட்டு வெங்கதா ஒத்துக்கோ ஒத்துக்கோ
காசு மேலே காசு வந்தே கொட்டுகிற நேரம் இதே வாச கருவ ராச லட்சுமிய தட்டுகிற வேலை இது
தட்டினா விட்டத்தங் கொட்டினா நொட்டத்தங் ஆனந்தம் காவேரிதான் அட சுக்கிறேன் உச்சத்தில் லக்கதான் மச்சத்தில் வந்தது கை காசுதான்
என்றும் மன்னர்தா எங்கும் விண்ணதா அண்ணாச்சி ஆனந்தம் ஆயாச்சி ஆரம்பம்
காசு மேல காசு வந்த கொட்டுற நேரம் இது வாச கதவு ராச லட்சுமி தட்டுற வேலை இது सजनों का सजन मेरा नाम है लखन ए जी ओ जी लो जी सुनो जी मैं हूँ मन मौजी करता हूँ मैं जो वो तुम भी करो जी 1 2 का 4 4 2 का 1 माय नेम इज लखन माय नेम इज लखन सजनों का सजन मेरा नाम है लखन
Give it up for Kartikeya, Adit, Kavan, Sanjeev, Mohammad, Hamdan, Mohammad Asrar, Riyan, Ahmad, Siddharth, Hardik and Ronit.
किचन किंग हो या गरम मसाला पाव भाजी या चंकी चाट मसाला
असली मसाले सच सच MDH
बड़ी कसम की विको टर्मरिक नहीं कॉस्मेटिक, विको टर्मरिक आयुर्वेदिक क्रीम कील मुहासों को जड़ से मिटाए, हल्दी चंदन के गुण इसमें समाये, त्वचा की रक्षा करे आयुर्वेदिक क्रीम, विको टर्मरिक आयुर्वेदिक क्रीम।
So now, when we told the children that the theme is nostalgic 90s, they did not know what nostalgic meant. And they were wondering what is 90s. So after we spent a day explaining to them what nostalgic 90s was and why it is so important for us, and most importantly, why did we have ads that we cannot skip? They didn't understand that. They did not understand that we had programs that we couldn't choose to watch. We had to watch, we had to fight for the remote. They did not understand that. So after a fun week, the children were more than happy to dance for the songs that we selected for them. After almost 2 months of practice, our children were like, they were just amazing. Even they learnt all the songs, and we did tell them not to go back home and tell the parents what they're dancing for. And I think most of them kept to their promise. And our M3 children, they wanted to do one set of dance as a finale before they said bye to all of us, all of the school, not all of us, the school. And they wanted something which is more present.
Presenting the M3s.
This is the tribute to Talaiwa.
मूछों को थोड़ा राउंड घुमा के, अन्ना के जैसा चश्मा लगा के, कोकोनट में लस्सी मिला के, आ जाओ सारे मूड बना के। मूछों को थोड़ा राउंड घुमा के, अन्ना के जैसा चश्मा लगा के, कोकोनट में लस्सी मिला के, आ जाओ सारे मूड बना के। All the Rajni fans, don't miss that chance. All the Rajni fans, don't miss that chance. Lungi dance, 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 lungi dance. डिस्को में जब ये गाना बजेगा, on the floor आना पड़ेगा, लुंगी को उठाना पड़ेगा, स्टेप करके दिखाना पड़ेगा। डिस्को में जब ये गाना बजेगा, on the floor आना पड़ेगा, लुंगी को उठाना पड़ेगा, स्टेप करके दिखाना पड़ेगा। All the Rajni fans, don't miss that chance. All the Rajni fans, don't miss that chance. Lungi dance, 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 lungi dance.
बड़े कारण के किनारे तो खाली पड़े नानी नानी बगली ने, नाना एवा सपनानी रेत वाली डगली ने, तोफानो तराप मारे हाले साव हापी जाए तो जेनी हिम्मत ने आम नहीं हापे, एवो खारबो खलासी एवो हाडनो प्रवासी, एवो खारबो खलासी एवो हाडनो प्रवासी। गोतिलो 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 गोतिलो
પોતાના જ દરિયામાં પોતાની જ ડૂબકીથી જાતનું અમૂલ મોતી લો।
મોતી જે મજામાં ખાલી વાવટા ધજામાં એવો હાડનો પ્રવાસી ગોતિલો।
એવો માણસી ખલાસી બને, માણસી પ્રવાસી બને, માણસી ખલાસી બને, લઈ જા નૈયા તમે ગોતી લો। એવો માણસી ખલાસી બને, માણસી પ્રવાસી બને, માણસી ખલાસી બને, લઈ જા નૈયા તમે ગોતી લો। એવો માણસી ખલાસી બને, માણસી પ્રવાસી બને,
bass. Hey, 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 hey.
I would like to take this moment to thank our choreographer from House of Liberal Arts, Ashwin sir. If you could please join them on the stage.
All up the bass. Hey, 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 hey.
Loud claps for Kabir, Arjun, Mini, Akshay, Abhinav, Ditya, Kirtan, Melina, Kavan, Aditya, Kartikeya, Ahmed, Vaidurya, Shriya, Sanjeev, Hamdan and Ronit. A big round of applause please. Could I please call upon Mrs. Sandhya Kadam, our principal, on the stage?
Hi, namaste, namaskara. How was it? Superb? Believe me, half of the performance I was not allowed to watch them. I just watched couple of them, just also see the numbers because it has to be proper numbers, proper. It should not go little kind of off the, to this age group especially. So I told Meera, she said, no ma'am, everything is fine. And it's in sync. You believe me, it is going to be rock. And today, actually, they amazed me. And see, these all children whom you saw, especially last performance, I know all of them because I was there when they have started their first year of schooling with me. And I'm so emotionally connected with them, I can't tell you. I remember Shilpa, I know the mother's name because they used to come and meet me every day because they were all come out from the COVID. And you know how were the things after the immediately COVID when they started a school, it was not that easy. I must say, parents, thank you to give us this opportunity to serve you. And today they are here. Thank you so much giving me this opportunity and trusted in me, Meera. It was the first year of JP Nagar branch. After Jayanagar, definitely we had our name and everything, but JP Nagar, it was definitely our first year. But thank you in believing me. I still remember Shilpa. Arjun mom, can you please, I can't see you. Can you say hi? Shilpa, I remember her and she was going to my neighboring school. She happened to see me in the school. And thank you, Raji ma'am training. The way I explained Montessori, she said she just couldn't believe that Montessori can be so beautiful subject. And then she just came and she called me one day, ma'am, I would like to come and take admission. And thank you, Shilpa, believing in me and letting me an opportunity. Thank you, parents. I actually have jotted down lots of things, but I forgot everything after seeing them. So, I thank you so much. I'm seriously, it's heartwarming and heartfelt. Thank you to all of you, and your presence mean a lot to us. Thank you for being part of this and making this event, a gala event, more successful. I would like to propose vote of thanks. Thank you to everyone out here. Please, if I miss out, don't mind it. Please, everyone, all the team, backstage team, Ashwin, amazing job. Where is Ashwin? Ashwin, superb job. Seriously, I must say thank you to me. Good, it was good decision to, come on board and no regrets. Though we had some exchange of words, heated arguments, initially. I'm sorry for that. But you know, like I look for the best for my children. I don't compromise when it comes to that. Thank you sorry for all these heated arguments. And I hope you understand because it is a big show and my children, I want them to rock here. But thank you. Big applause of please Ashwin sir and none other than Meera. The idea was that the whole idea, the lady behind is Meera. Definitely Shilpa, Manu, Anita, they all pitched in later. But Meera was the one, she came up with this idea, told me, ma'am, I want to go with this. I said, Meera, I trust you blindly, you go ahead. And thanks, it was a gut feeling, yes, it will be good show. And finally it happened. And thank you parents once again. And I would like to say thank you Raji ma'am to be a part of this show. Raji ma'am has been very close to us. All of the teachers are being trained under her. And whatever your children are reading, writing concept, we are so pro in our concept till now. If you give us a material, we'll be able to give you explanation because what she has instilled in all of us is her knowledge, her experience, her everything. I must say thank you, Raji ma'am. And today whatever we are doing today, wherever we are is because of her. And I hope, I believe Meera also won't say no to this. And Meera, please come with the... All teachers, please come on the stage, please. All aunties, teachers. Anshul is doing the fabulous job. Thank you, Anshul. Being a silent part, but yes, it is very prominent. Raji ma'am, can you say a few words to our parents and tell me how was your experience, please? That is more important. Please, tell your experience today.
Good evening, everybody. I'm actually speechless, Sandhya ma'am. I am actually having a complex now. Because after seeing the M1, M2, M3 children who are all maybe under 5, 6, I don't know whether I would overcome my stage fright or not. Because they have given me a complex now. And definitely this is due to the efforts put in by the team, the backstage team. I know how difficult it is to coordinate adults, okay? So it's definitely not easy to coordinate children. And kudos to the parents. I was actually hearing the kind of cheer you were giving your children, the kind of encouragement. And I think this is a very proud moment for all parents, grandparents, right? Including me, because I always tell I come like a parent because my students are also performing, right? Half the team, as Sandhya ma'am said, is, the product of my training, which this is a very proud moment for me. And I mean, not even only my team, the whole team at Five Senses. They breathe Montessori. They are, they live as a teacher in the campus and outside the campus. So they are foster parents to your children. I think all of you would agree. And you could see the, the love that they actually showed. They went and hugged their teachers. It is really a heart-to-heart connect that I can see. And this foundation of a preschool goes a very long way. 10 years later, as we saw the 8th grade Gautam, right?
No,
Shyam. 8th grader comes back to his preschool to share his, his talent and his evening. I'm sure all these tiny tots are going to come back someday, and we are going to still be, proudly looking up to their eyes, maybe looking up physically also, and looking up as a proud parent and as a proud teacher. Thank you all for making this evening a wonderful evening. Thank you, Sandhya ma'am, as always. I'm always a part of Five Senses and will continue to be. Thank you so much. Good day to all of you.